Ravel is eating some scrambled egg. Very slowly. It's cold, so it's probably not too exciting. She likes to look in the mirror. Hi. You gonna eat a little egg? Eat your egg. You done? Uh-oh, you lost your egg. She likes to keep one hand full of food and then use the other hand to eat the food. She keeps one hand in reserve. Checking to see if the other baby's enjoying her egg. Is she? No, she seems to be feeling about the same way you do.